Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity. So first important opportunity from the Amazon, they are hiring for the role of data engineer, SIP tech analyst, and job location is the Hyderabad. Okay, so they are looking for the fresh talent students, and these will be your roles and responsibilities. So you will design and build scalable, non-real time streaming batch and data pipeline. Means you will work on pipeline, AWS, and all those tech stack. So if you are interested for this role, you can apply. For that, you should have some experience. And yeah, no need to worry. I have also come with many freshers opportunity too. Okay, so don't be that. Okay, because some students were commenting that I have some experience, so please provide the opportunity for that too. That's why I'm sharing some experience. Okay, now this is the freshers hiring. So Samsung Electronics, they are hiring the freshers, B.Tech freshers, get trainee, and salary will be 2.9 and LPA 2 in-hand salary will be there, and these all the things. So if you are interested, then I will provide this link. You can basically telephone there. Okay, so this you can see online telephonic interview and 5 to 3rd March. Okay, so this is online and direct interview will be there. So I will suggest everyone you can call here if you are interested for this role. Okay, so B.Tech freshers are eligible for get training, and B.Tech experience engineer and all those things are eligible. So this is wonderful hiring. Everyone should apply. Next important opportunity, that is from the nagaro. They are hiring for the role of associate staff consultant, search engine marketing, and this is a remote job. Okay, so you can work remotely, and this is a wonderful opportunity if you want to work from home. And they are hiring for the role of staff consultant. So you can go through complete job link in the description. I will provide all that there. Okay, friends, if you are preparing for the NQT, then you can also follow our NQT coding series. There we have already covered around 25 plus questions till now. So if you want, you can follow. Okay, and I've also provided the free previous material on my WhatsApp Telegram group. So if you haven't joined that, must join there. These are the free previous material you are getting for aptitude, coding, and other things. So if you want, you can avail all those benefits. Coming to next important opportunity from the HCL Tech, they are hiring for the role of the service desk lateral hiring, and these are the job location, that is Lucknow, Nagpur, Madurai, Vijayawada, and other. So if you are interested for that, you can apply. And freshers from all the background, that is the BCom, BCA, BSc, BE, B.Tech, all are legal for that. So if you want, you can apply. Okay, this is a wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. Next important opportunity from the konecranes, and they are hiring for the role of trainee project management, and this is an engineering role. Okay, and this will be your roles and responsibility. Qualifications is freshers, and you should be from electrical backgrounds. If you know any electrical background student, then you can also share that. Okay, the reason I'm coming with electrical students now, that they are also commenting that we need also job, and basically everyone needs job, I know, but they are saying that we have very less jobs. So that's why I'm coming and I'm searching for you related to job. So if you like our report now, please support us. Your support is important. I'm not asking anything about the money and all these things. I'm providing free preparation material and all those things. So if you want, you can avail those benefits, and please support us and keep learning and keep growing. Okay, so next important opportunity from the Samsung Electronics Careers Open. So that's the thing I've already provided. This is the same opportunity. Okay, so they are hiring for the diploma engineer trainee and graduate engineer trainee at Samsung Electronics. So you can apply for that. And coming to you so last opportunity. So Scandal Electronic, they are hiring for the role of service desk analyst, and this is the category, and you will basically work on IT support. So if you are interested for support, then you can apply for that. Any graduation or any graduate student can apply, either from B.Tech, MCA, BCom, all those can apply. And this is wonderful opportunity. Friends, you can say this was the basically link I was about to share, but you can see this link expire. So just I got means 5 to 6 hours ago and link expire. So that's the reason I'm saying that whenever you are getting any link or any application, then don't waste your time. Apply as soon as possible. So that's the thing I want to tell. Hope informative to you. If you have inquiry, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Thank you.